Alright guys, in today's video, we're out here at this big lake. Right now I'm just at the spill right here. Leads into this big lake. We got a big old topwater plopper on. The Westin plopper. Black and purple. Because that's the only one I had. But yeah, it's the summer right now, so hopefully we can get some topwater bites. We got like a light rain right now, so hopefully we can get on the fish. But we've been here for about 20 minutes or so. Haven't had any action, so I just switched to the topwater, and yeah, hopefully we can catch some nice fish or just some fish in general. I saw a blow up in the spillway, so maybe something will be in here. I've been fishing this spillway for a little bit, so I might just do like 1 or 2 more casts, and then now I'm gonna start heading over to the other side of the pond, lake. It's pretty big. It's just this lake behind some buildings, but it's pretty high right now, and it's kind of hard to get to the bank because it's like flooded grass. But we'll see what we can do, see if there's any banks that aren't like all underwater. So yeah, hopefully we can get on the fish. I don't know if y'all can hear that thunder, but that is not the sound to hear while you're fishing out here with these long sticks. Alright guys, this is kind of what the grass looks like. Can't really walk in it to get to the bank, so don't want to mess up my shoes, so gonna not fish here until we find a good bank to fish. Switch spots to this creek.
Yep, we switched spots. We walked 3 miles, we grinded. Oh, just had one. Ah.
Oh, there's one. Yeah, guys, just came off right there. Got this nice bass here on that underspin. Gotta send him down the slide over here. All right, guys, got the bass there. Just send him down the slide. There he goes. Back into the creek.
Moving water. Pro tip, guys. Fish where water is moving.
There's a fish. Yo, he's going crazy. Yo, wait, he looks kind of weird. What the heck? Oh, no, he doesn't. It's a nice chunky creek bass, guys, on that little underspin. Yeah, that's a nice one, especially for this creek. Nice bass right there. There he goes. Bro, I found the strat. See, cast over there.
That's where?
Pop. 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 Bro, you low-key just like jig it. There's another one, guys. Next cast. Oh, he just came off. No, buddy, no. Oh, shoot. Look at that one, guys. Another one. It's 2 casts in a row on that method I was showing. The pop method, but let's get him back. There he is. There he goes, back into the creek.
I kind of want to tie the electric chicken on.
That is another nice one. Whew. It's another nice one on the underspin, just popping it up and down. We just caught. It's a nice one, guys, on the white and Chartreuse Underspin. Alright, let's get him back. There he goes. Well, Freddie's got one on the underspin. It's a nice one. That's probably one of the biggest today, if not the biggest.
I thought he was a lot bigger. Probably like maybe one.
Yeah, on that underspin. There he goes. Number 5 of the day.